Okay, so quick overview of the course. Look, it's extremely complicated. There's a lot that goes into a sales world. I just want to quickly run through what I'm trying to achieve as a very micro video, 2 to 3 minutes long, that's it. Yeah. I'm just giving you an overview of it. So first of all, I want to make sure everybody has a good solid lead generation model. That means 3 methods that are working, yeah, right, that's generating leads and driving traffic in our business. We all need to have the right number of new appointments on a weekly basis. Okay, so that's my first goal, yeah. Second, I want people to have good time management, be running a perfect diary, yeah. Okay, so we need to have our time right. The number one problem that keeps coming up again and again, and people don't really talk about this, is people don't really know how to allocate time to make their sales worlds work that effectively. Next thing, introductory meeting. That's the most critical part of the sales process that you have with your customers. So a good solid introductory meeting is critical. It's all about getting it right, getting the balance right, and getting to that next step. If you don't get to the next steps with your first meetings, then what's the point? Yeah? Same goes with your second meetings, and we call these collaboration meetings, where we step into a conversation where we're either fact finding or collaborating with our clients, which leads me into how to do a fact find. Most people really don't know how to structure a fact find and gather information from a client. And there's 2 very different types of information that we need to gather within a fact find. One is the soft information, that's relationship building information and understanding how they've got where they are. And the other is technical hard facts. And they both don't come at the same time and that easily. So we show you how to do that. Next, look, I want templates. If everybody has templates and a clear set of templates for collaboration meetings and proposals, it makes their lives easier because it's less time doing admin, less time prepping things, and it also means they get back to see the client a lot quicker. Finally, we jump into metrics. Got to have numbers. Don't know your numbers, and you can't get better. How can you get better? It's like an athlete saying, I want to improve my time at 400 meters or 800 meters, or I want to make my swimming better, not knowing the times, not knowing their metrics. I like a business to have a good CRM system. CRM is a good reflection on how healthy your sales are. And then at the end of the day, I want a very solid pipeline coming together nicely over 3 months. Yeah. So that then leads us into there's 5 stages of learning: unconscious incompetence, where you don't know what you don't know; conscious incompetence, where you know what you don't know; conscious competence, where you've got to work at it to get better; unconscious competence, where it's very natural and you're good at what you do, you're excellent. And then finally, the 5th is when you're teaching people and you're coaching people and you're working with people to help them get better. So we want people to know where they are in that learning curve and all of the above topics here. So that's what this is about. That's what I'm trying to achieve. Look, hopefully you're going to enjoy it. Hopefully your team's going to enjoy it. Let's go and have some fun. And by the way, this is just a micro video in case you missed the first session.